Hi, welcome to the Fire Mountain Gems and Beads Jewelry Making Studio, just in time for Christmas season. I know you're all preparing for your bazaars, so let's show you some really simple earrings you can make in a flash. This particular pair of earrings just uses a pre-made cotton tassel, jump ring, a little stainless steel component, and an ear wire. Oh, so easy. You can start from the top or start from the bottom. I'll start from the top. So I'll take my ear wire, and this opens up, and I rotate it open. Put on my little stainless steel earring component. No jump ring or anything, just put it right on there. Rotate it closed. Then on the other end, I'm going to open up a jump ring. Rotating it open through the little tassel onto the component. Rotate it closed. Oh my gosh, how many of these can you make for your family, friends, and your bazaar in multiple colors? Go for it. Make those earrings. And you can find all of these components at firemountaingems.com. Thanks for joining me. Happy beading.